Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade V70 Max, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's find the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now all we have to do is to tap on this four dots icon or four squares icon on the left, and here let's enter the languages. Let's tap on more, and as you can see here we've got the list of all available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and then tap on this plus icon. Here we've got also the hint how to switch between the languages if we've got more than one added. So all we have to do is to swipe on the spacebar, as you can see, and we can switch between the English and the other one because we've got both applied. All right, now we've got it. Let's go back. This is how to actually add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove the language. So let's pretend we want to remove one of those which I've got right now applied, so English or Urdu one. So let's tap on this more icon again and enter languages. Now let's enter more right here. And as you can see, we've got this list of your languages which are currently applied. So all we have to do is to simply untick the option which we don't want to use. And after getting back to the keyboard now, you can see that still we've got the name of the language we've got currently applied. However, we cannot swipe on the spacebar, which means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.